Why does my hair keep breaking? Hey beautiful. Do you sometimes wonder why your Afro hair keeps breaking or cutting constantly? Let's talk about it. Reasons for hair breakage. Number 1. Dryness. Afro hair needs moisture to stay healthy. When it's dry, it becomes brittle and breaks easily. Imagine your hair is like a plant. Just like plants need water to grow, your hair needs moisture to stay strong. Number 2. Overmanipulation. Constantly styling, combing, or handling your hair can cause breakage. When you handle your hair too much, it gets weak and snaps. So, be gentle with your hair and don't overdo it. Number 3. Using the wrong products. Some products can be too harsh for Afro hair. Always look for sulfate-free or moisturizing products. Number 4. Lack of protein. Your hair needs protein to stay strong. Think of protein as the building blocks of your hair. Without it, hair becomes weak and breaks. Number 5. Mechanical damage. Using tight hair ties, clips, or rough styling tools can pull on your hair and cause breakage. Be gentle and avoid pulling too tight. How to prevent hair breakage. Number 1. Moisturize. Use a good leave-in conditioner or hair cream with ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, or olive oil. Number 2. Be gentle. Use a wide tooth comb or your fingers, and avoid hot water when washing. Number 3. Use the right products. Choose gentle, nourishing products made for Afro hair. Number 4. Get regular trims. This prevents split ends and keeps your hair healthy. Number 5. Protective styles. Styles like braids, twists, or bantu knots help reduce manipulation and protect your hair. Tips for healthy hair. Keep your hair moisturized every day. Use a wide tooth comb instead of a regular brush. Avoid heat, or use a heat protectant if you must. Be gentle when washing. And don't forget, getting enough sleep helps your hair grow strong and healthy. Common mistakes that cause breakage. Using the wrong comb. Skipping moisturizer. Over-manipulating. Using harsh products. Not trimming regularly. Conclusion. Taking care of your Afro hair requires patience, love, and gentle handling. By following these tips, you can reduce breakage and grow healthy, beautiful hair. Remember to be gentle, use the right products, and keep your hair moisturized. Simple hair care routine. Wash your hair once or twice a week. Use a leave-in conditioner or cream to moisturize. Detangle with a wide tooth comb or your fingers. Avoid heat tools, or use a heat protectant spray. Trim regularly. Try protective styles like braids, twists, or bantu knots. Product recommendations. For a leave-in conditioner, TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. For deep hydration, Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Mask. For tools, a Denman Wide Tooth Comb and Scunci Gentle Hair Ties. Final tips. Be patient. Healthy hair takes time. Love your hair, it's beautiful and unique. And with the right care, your hair can grow strong and healthy. Stay fabulous, and don't forget to love your hair. Subscribe now to be the first to get tips. Have you experienced breakage before? Let's know in the comments.